Greetings from C.H.I. We're excited today to announce the launch of our Rebuilding a Life campaign. Since 2015, C.H.I. has been proud to partner with Homes for Our Troops, a not-for-profit organization that provides homes for returning heroes. Over that time, together with our dealer partners, we've completed over 40 homes for our returning heroes. However, as we begin a new year, we want to take on a greater challenge, one that we know the entire C.H.I. family, not only here in Arthur, but across the country and with all of our dealer partners and those across the industry, will be ready to meet head on. And that is to rebuild an entire home for one of our veterans. Doing this requires significant fundraising, and C.H.I. is fully committed to leading the charge here. You can visit our website to learn more about a variety of fundraising activities that we have planned throughout the year, and certainly you can contact any of our associates, both here in Arthur and across the country, about how you can get involved. We hope you'll join us in this most worthy cause, and we look forward to sharing with you the updates along the way as we look to rebuild the life of one of our returning heroes. Thank you and have a great year ahead.